Alright guys, well, I'm going to go ahead here. I got to vacuum up the nail clippings from yesterday because I was doing my toenails. And all that basic fun stuff. So let me go ahead here and get the vacuum out, guys. So the first vacuum I'm going to start with for this side of the house is going to be the, give me a minute guys. I'm going to vacuum the bedrooms, I think. And that's probably going to be done with the, maybe the multi-surface. Then we're going to get the shark out. That's what I think we're going to do, guys. However, I might add another longer cord to that shark ice because it seems like it's not going to be long enough. Excuse me, we had a hanger fall down also. So you guys are going to get two for the price of one today. So I figured that'd be fair enough. Let me go ahead here and make sure there's no clothes that get stuck inside the brush roller or this vacuum, guys. I got to find something to put these in. You know, 1 second, guys. We're going to use this basket over here and just wear everything onto that. That way nothing gets stuck in the brush roller, guys. Give me just a minute. I just want to get everything up. Also, we have a basket right here. It's not works even better. There's nothing getting stuck in the brush roller, guys. We probably run the shark. We're going to run the dirt devil and then the shark. So give me a minute, guys, so I can pick up the mess in here. Messy clothes, I apologize. Let me go ahead and get this clean. So that way it's not going to be that bad. Oh, Lord. Hang on a minute, guys. Alright. Go ahead and get all this up here. So it's all off the floor. Alright, guys, so hang tight for a minute. While I pick up all this stuff, then I'll start vacuuming. So just give me a minute. I do apologize. We're not right into the swing of things, but I don't want to have to go buy a freaking that multi-surface. That belt's at least $5, guys. So yeah, not expensive, but it's also not that cheap neither, guys. All right, guys. So now that straw is garbage. Wait, these are meant to flex, or like what are they meant to do? So guys, I think what I'm going to do, which I know it's going to sound a little odd, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to run the shark, then I'm going to run the multi-surface. So that way, well, let's see how good the multi-surface does first, guys. So you guys are getting your favorite vacuum ran right now. There's gonna be two vacuums being ran this morning, guys. Let's see how good this is on dirt. It needs to be empty, guys. Let's go ahead and empty it out. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, well, also my childhood upright vacuum was the Lux back vacuum, so I hope I will be able to find one of those, which maybe I should. My friend usually volunteers at the thrift store, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have him let me know if there's anything good. And guys, probably I might just donate one of the old Dirt Devils, guys. The one vacuum I really wish I wound up with, it was a really nice one too, guys. My grandma, she had an Orc XL. I mean, it would have been nice if I wound up with that machine, guys. My aunt wound up getting it, you know. You can tell people sometimes, like, hey, I would like this machine. And I was even nice enough to undo all the I completely unclogged it and everything, guys. I cleaned off the brush roller because at the time my grandma, before, yeah, she had a Shih Tzu, and that was a golden retriever or whatever it was. Yeah, at the time it was a Shih Tzu, but she had a golden retriever, you know, and she was really funny about anyone touching the vacuum, so I didn't ever get to. I would have broken either, guys. I would have actually kept it working. But guys, what I would have done is I would have cleaned off the brush roller is what I would have done. Guys, one thing I would say about the Orc branding, guys, is you can't suck up shredded paper with it. It will definitely clog it up. So let's go ahead and start vacuuming right now, guys. Here we go. Love it. Alright guys, this is all we're doing right now. Here we go, guys. You seen those really good rappers? You can pick them up like really good. Guys, that's what I said about this thing. This is really good at it. Here's the old Wranglers, guys, so I ain't got those on yet. I got a little hole in that. I'm sure the argument usually most people have with their parents or anybody. They well, all you do is destroy your pants, well. You want a pair of Wrangler jeans, guys, for like $24? I don't feel bad if they get cashed out, you know? So, I'm not telling you guys to go, I'm not telling you guys to go destroy your pants either, so don't get the wrong idea of it. Because like I said, there's some that actually can't afford lots of pants all the time. Give me one second, guys. Same picture of the bed. Need some here, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. So guys, I'm gonna save some dirt for the shark to get to. So just a minute here. I'm gonna work on this here again. Back and there's the shark. Okay, so save some for the shark to get killed. It seems like carpet seems to get these things. Like why? Yeah, this carpet's like a medium kind of carpet, so yeah, it happens. Pile carpet, guys. Some spots will actually clog just a little bit. Don say something for the multi-surface, guys. So let me go ahead and grab the doing this with the multi-surface right now. We'll go ahead and grab the LA 702 in just a minute. Help you solve get through the good gravy. There's plenty for the 702 to get. So give me just a minute here. Like I said, guys, the suction on this vacuum is really good. So that's why I told you you'd be very careful with this vacuum. Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the Dirt Devil multi-surface.